Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am discussing the do's and don'ts of what to wear to a photo shoot. Hey guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling. So let's jump right in here, guys. I know it's hard sometimes to kind of decide what to bring with you to a photo shoot, and we've done tons of photo shoots and always share this same list with models who are coming to shoots with us. So one of the first things you must think about is your undergarments. So underwear, make sure that, of course, you want to wear some, but you also want to bring different colors because there might be some things provided for you to wear, and you want to make sure that you have good options on different things so that it's not showing through if you're wearing something completely black and you've got white underwear and it's going to see through the item that you're wearing. And then also make sure that you bring various options for a bra as well for the ladies, so that, again, bring several different colors, and also make sure that you bring a strapless option as well so that you're able to do lots of different things, a little bit more versatile, and you don't find yourself in a pinch where you end up doing a shoot and not having the right items with you to be able to complete it. So undergarments are very important. The next thing is shoes, and you want to bring several different options, not just heels, but you'll also want to have an athletic option as well, and you'll want to have a flats option with you as well. For guys, you want to definitely have something a little bit more dressy, and you also want to bring some athletic shoes with you, as well as some casual shoes are also important too. So you have several different options, guys, for you to bring. And ladies, make sure that you bring the heels, but also don't forget to bring something a little bit more casual like your flats, and also some athletic shoes as well. Next up is shirt options. The big thing here with shirts is not having big pictures or logos, different things like that. When you're choosing shirts to bring, make sure that you're also bringing something with a color that makes sense for your skin tone. We've got videos on preparing for that as well, but make sure that you've got something that looks good with your skin tone and is going to look good with the background that you're going to be working in. So a good thing to do is generally to bring a few extra different color items so that you know that you're going to have something that will work with what you've got to work with on set. And then as we're talking about pants, same types of things, is make sure on pants that they fit properly. You don't want something that's so tight on you that it's going to be really hard for you to move and to do some of the things that are being asked of you. And also don't have pants that are so loose that they're going to be difficult to keep on if they're way too big for you. And then also, sometimes, especially for ladies, make sure that your pants are not see-through with studio lights. So if you've got like a ring light or something at home, and stand in a really bright area and try to make sure that that's not going to be a problem. Also, if you bring extras, then you're always going to have a backup option if it becomes a problem in front of a camera. And it's the same thing, ladies, for dresses. When you bring dresses, if there are like different areas that may be uncomfortable, or that you find yourself always holding together to keep it from just popping open, make sure that you bring pins with you or clips to hold those different spots so that you don't have to, hold up a shoot trying to find some clips to hold your dress, in the right spot. And then also on dresses, make sure that they're not see-through. So many times you bring something and you're like, oh, this is fine. I've worn this before. I've never had a problem. And then you get in front of those studio lights and those flashes, and it lights it up, and it is not something, the type of shoot that you were looking to do. So make sure that you bring a lot of options in case that becomes a problem. Someone on set will say, hey, this is not going to work. And then you can, easily change into something else because you've brought lots of options. So the key here is, guys, to bring a lot of options and make sure to stay away from, you know, colors that don't work well with your skin tone, and bring lots of different colors. And don't forget with your undergarments as well to bring lots of options and lots of different colors with those as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon.